Hello guys, welcome to Co Academy. Guys, in this video we'll be talking about difference between markup and margin. Suppose that you sell a product, okay, and that product cost you it cost you 100 rupees, okay. See, 100 rupees. Now you sold the product for 125 because you kept profit of 25 rupees for you, and you sold the product for 125. Now there are three values available to us. Number one is cost, which is 100. Number two is profit, which is 25. And number three is selling price, which is 125. Now remember that whenever we are talking about markup, it always is profit in relation to cost. And in our case, the profit was 25. And see, 25. And what was the cost? It was 100. So the markup in our case was 25 divided by 100 equals to 25%. Of course, you multiply it by 100 to convert it into 100. So 25 divided by 100 into 100 equals to 25%. So our markup is 25%. Whereas when you are talking about margin, it's always profit divided by revenue. Okay, so our revenue was, remember, 50 25 plus 100 equals to 125. So margin is always calculated on the basis of sale price, and markup is always calculated on the basis of cost. In our case, the margin was 20% because the denominator was 25%. Of course, margin will always be less than 20 markup, because in the margin the denominator is higher, because in our margin the denominator was 125, whereas in markup the denominator was 100. So I hope this video clarified your concept about the difference between markup and margin. In both the cases the numerator is profit, but in markup the denominator is cost, and in margin the denominator is selling price. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching.